In this video, we are going to explain the difference between gross pay and net pay, simply and clearly. Gross pay and net pay are the two most important numbers on your payslip. One is what your employer pays you. The other is what actually reaches your bank account. Gross pay is the amount your employer agreed to pay you. It is what your contract says. If your contract says £30,000 a year, your monthly gross pay would be £2,500. But this is never what lands in your bank. Net pay is what is left after all deductions have been taken out. This is your real income. It is the money you actually have to live on. Everything you budget, spend, and save should be based on this number. Between your gross pay and your net pay, three main things are deducted. Income tax, which goes to the government. National insurance, which funds the NHS and your state pension. And your pension contribution, which goes into your workplace pension for your future. Many people are genuinely surprised when they see how much smaller their net pay is compared to their gross pay. This is completely normal. Everyone who earns above £12,570 a year will see these deductions taken automatically every month. Here is a real example. Someone earning £30,000 a year has a monthly gross pay of £2,500. After income tax, national insurance, and a 5% pension contribution, their net pay is £2,017. That is the money that actually lands in their bank. Knowing the difference between gross and net pay is useful in lots of situations. When you start a new job, always ask what your net pay will be, not just the salary. When comparing two job offers, a higher salary does not always mean more take-home pay. And when applying for a mortgage or loan, lenders will always look at your net pay. The most common mistake people make is budgeting based on their gross salary. They see £30,000 a year and think that means £2,500 a month to spend. It does not. Always budget using your net pay. If you are unsure what your net pay will be, use a free, online take-home pay calculator before making any financial decisions. To recap, gross pay is what you earn before anything is taken out. Net pay is what you actually keep. Always budget using your net pay. It is the only number that matters when managing your money day to day. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe for more everyday money topics explained simply.